Hi you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I just got a package in the mail. It is one of the portable air conditioners. So it says extreme speed air cooler. This is what it looked like. It's the instructions. It's the water container. You fill this up and put it in the freezer. For the charger. Go to the air cooler itself. Alright, here it is. Plug it up. See what it does without the cooler. When the process is getting ready for work and cooking at the same time that I'm doing this. I ain't let the dogs outside and saw the package on the porch. It's on, it's on out. Cool air right now. So when the ice pack is in there, it'll probably be frozen. Like the air will be really cold. So, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.